If there was a legal challenge that was indisputable, is there a risk that the government would just retract the law rather than hold the industry accountable to the law?
We're actually going through litigation with at the moment. Essentially, there was this EU-derived piece of legislation that said you can't pick animals up by the legs during transport and transport-related operations. What that actually looks like, that handling process, that transport process, it looks like these chicken catchers going into these big sheds, swooping up several and then shoving them in crates. There is no carve-out for chickens within this legislation. And in fact, in the Netherlands, they've had success with this same piece of legislation. We brought a similar case to what they brought in the Netherlands, in the UK. And sure enough, rather than enforce the law, the government has just recently changed the law. They rushed that through Parliament without any scrutiny. First dilution of animal welfare since Brexit, Labour's first animal welfare policy. So really, really shocking stuff. I don't think that we should be paralysed by that fear, by rocking the boat. The industry are going to want to do what they want to do. And they'll largely have a sympathetic ear with the government. I think we've got to basically do what we can to curtail so much of that, especially when we're dealing with these awful practices.